What did you say?
Oh.
We're buying food for coronavirus. Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, we're buying food for coronavirus. So we
Why?
can feed it to them.
Feed who?
Coronavirus.
Oh, my son is so funny. He said I cannot videotape.
When you give them donuts,
cards.
when you give them candy,
Give
so
who
they can
donuts and candies.
the coronavirus. I'm just kidding. I'm not that stupid.
We are shopping for our food.
Mom, can I get Monster?
So we can store up.
Can I get
our
Rockstar?
Copy. We
Can I
keep
get Monster?
buying water. Just more water. What you want to get?
Monster.
What?
Monster. Or Red Bull. Let me get a Red Bull.
There is our card. We only had few stuff.
Let me get a Red Bull, Mom.
And we are standing in line and videotaping.
Let me get a Red Bull, Mom. Let me get a Red Bull.
Shopping for coronavirus.
This is good.
Today is March. What's
yeah,
the
we need
date
gum.
today, Wayne?
Huh?
March 12th?
March? Yeah,
March
it's
12th.
March 12th.
So today is March 12th.
Oh, that's
And
really good.
March 12th, 2020. There's a lot of people are buying food at Winco store. It's mostly on the shelves are almost itero, masoe won. Because I've seen a lot of limited carts filled up with food. So coming on to you from Chuukese FinIasai as Chuukese Lives, but I'm just videotaping what's going on in the stores. So as you can see, there's a lot of people here buying stuff. So many people. Okay, that's the update. We are here at Winco store. Thank you.
Mom.
Kitty Soul Zapper, please don't forget to subscribe to our video and keep watching our more videos from us. So don't forget, click the subscribe button. Kitty Soul Banana.